I'm Justin Six, and this is another vlog. And today, guys, I just wanted to quickly talk about how I've been teaching myself how to draw. I've always been a terrible artist, like stick art was pretty much all I could do, and I always just kind of assumed that I'd always be terrible at art. But because I want to make video games, I took it upon myself to like at least try to get better at art, and I do feel like I've made some progress. I'm gonna like post some pictures in the like video hopefully now in editing and show like the best things that I've made, which is really just the farthest along I've come in the tutorials because I'm following a bunch of tutorial series to teach myself how to draw. And so far I've have like this huge stack of papers, most of which are like double-sided with like drawing exercises and just like random things I'm doing to teach myself how to draw. And then in addition to that, I have my old Discord and I kind of reformatted it and stuff, and I'm gonna link all of the tutorials I followed to teach myself how to draw, so that if someone else also who's also bad at art wants to learn how to draw and like learn art from the ground up, because I was really starting from zero and I'm still very bad at art, then they can follow along those tutorials and talk with other people that are following them and talk to me in that Discord, and hopefully we can all learn together. And yeah, I'm just making these vlogs basically to kind of share my journey learning shit, because right now I'm terrible at everything. So hopefully, like 20 million years, I'll be good at something and I'll have videos documenting my progress to inspire others. So yeah, this is, if you like these videos, then subscribe, like the video, comment down below if you have questions. Make sure to join that Discord if you have interest in drawing. I'll be doing other videos on other topics, and I'll also connect that into the Discord, sharing all the free resources that I'm using to teach myself shit. So yeah,